Good morning, Paul Spaulding here, Berkshire Hathaway, the Spaulding Team. Let's see what's going on with the Las Vegas real estate market. So this is today's. We have a couple of new listings here, looks like about 18. Got a condo, it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 945 square feet over on Decatur for $105. Villa Park. Okay, I've sold in that property before. That's a nice property. Not in a great location, but a good property. One picture. Okay. Then highest priced is Scarsdale here, $2 million. 7,100 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 6 baths, 6-car garage, pool spa, 98 built. Nice picture. Nice front door. Interesting. That's very interesting. A lot of cost. Why? Ballroom with a fireplace. Wow. Something else. Wonder if the Lamborghini comes with the car. I think that's a Lambo. Looks like one. Look at that. Pool, small pool in the whale. I guess it's not small. But look at this. It is nice property. $2 million. Durango and Charleston. Nice. Like that house. Okay. So, Picos. $69.9. 1 bedroom, 1 bath. Condo. Picos Lake Mead. Alright. Over on Opal Valley yesterday, new listing. Forgot that I was supposed to talk. Let's see here. That's interesting. 2-level breakfast bar. I don't see it there. Is that a different one? Yeah, it's gotta be. It's dark countertop. It's a different colored oh, I wonder where it is. Yeah. It's a different breakfast bar. It must have been downstairs or something. Different part of the house. Okay. 1495. Okay. And then day before that is another one on Payco, 65,000. About the same as the last one, which is what we just looked at. Payco's in Lake Mead. And 2 days ago, $33.9 million, 5,200 square feet, 8 bedrooms, 6 baths, 5 car garage, pool, spa, built in '96. It's quite a spread. One picture. 2 acres of property. Hualapai and Doral. Yeah, there's some big parcels over there. Okay. Well, that's that. Let's see what's under contract. 579 with 382 sold recently. Let's see what actually closed in the last couple of days. Okay, so yesterday, Snorkel, 85,000. Upstairs unit. Pretty basic for 85,000. 2 bedroom, 2 bath. Jones and Rancho, okay. Closed yesterday, that was reported. Gentle Valley. Oh, I didn't get this thing straightened out. Let me get this straightened out price-wise. Okay, here we go. Now, yesterday, Las Vegas Boulevard. Okay, right off Richmar there. $70,000 townhome. 736 square feet, 2 bedroom, 2 bath. So those little spa paradise spa. Okay. And next, highest priced one from yesterday. Red Arrow. 3.3 million, 8,000 square feet, 6 bedrooms, 9 baths, 4 car garage, pool, spa, built in '04. Huh, interesting. Quite a spread. Tennis court, pool. Quite a house. 3.3 million. Over on Red Rock, okay. And the day before that, lowest price was manufactured home out of the area. Another manufactured home out of the area. 2-story condo. Looks clean. East Reno. Tropicana and Spencer. Right by the airport. Be good rental unit. 103, 920 square feet. Very contemporary. Elevator even. $1 million. Cimarron and Sahara. Okay. So that's that. Let's look at under contract single family homes with pools for the last couple of days. $86. Okay, well that's about it for today. I will talk to you on maybe Friday. Tomorrow is the 4th of July, so we're all going to celebrate the 4th of July, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.